Hi all and welcome to this new Crypto Bros video. On this occasion presenting the BUSD Crops Farmer and the USDC Crops Farmer, both audited by Cybercrime Shield, as you can see here. Well, let's explain this project. You can find all the related links down below this video, and remember that we don't give any financial advice, so please do your own research as always before investing on this project or others. Well, the USD Crops Farmer is a decentralized application built on the Binance Smart Chain, and the USDC Crops Farmer is a decentralized application but built on the Avalanche chain. Both work in the same way, so let's take this one, BUSD Crops Farmer, as reference, but the mechanism is the same in the USDC one. The only difference is that here you have to connect your MetaMask or your Trust wallet in the Binance Smart Chain, and in this one you will need the Avalanche network. Well, and how to is best? It's very simple. You just need your BUSD or your USDC, and then you just have to click here in order to approve the contract, and then you have to deposit the amount that you want, which is basically the same that clicking the button to hire your farmers, that is to start earning your passive rewards. The object of the game is to hire more farmers sooner and more often than all players. This in turn gives you more BUSD faster. These farmers work tirelessly, giving you a daily average of 8% of farmers' value. That is more than 2,900 APR, as you can see, and the daily percentage return depends on players' action that are taken with the platform that impact the farmers' efficiency rate, which rise and falls as users buy farmers rehire their earnings and sell their crops for BUSD, as you can see here. Besides, you can earn an extra 8 bonus if other people use your referral code, which is generated here once that you connect your wallet. It is important to take into account that once farmers are bought, they cannot be sold, and the investment made to hire or rehire them cannot be taken back. However, once bought, farmers will produce yield constantly. Exactly the same in the USDC Crops Farmer. You have to approve this contract and then you can hire the farmers, but in the Avalanche network. Well, so coming back to the BUSD Crops Farmer website, we can see these main points, and we want to clarify them to basically to ensure the sustainability and longevity of this project. Users must compound at least 5 times that are mandatory before they can withdraw. If a farmer decides not to compound or hire more farmers using the earnings and continuously withdraw, farmers will be charged with a 60% feedback tax that will remain part of the contract. However, to further encourage the community to rehire, that is to compound, there will be an additional 2.5% bonus for each compound action, which can stack up 25% for 10 consecutive times, that is 5 days. By doing so, this will ensure the long-term potential profit of every investor. Besides, BUSD Crops Farmer have several anti-dumping and anti-whale measures in place to ensure the longevity of the project. These measures include maximum deposits that are limited, as well as a cutoff time and a cool down time for withdrawals. The cutoff time is the amount of time that it will take for your cart or your bag to be full of rewards, and once the bag is full, it will stop filling until you've taken some action in the game. There are 48 hours rewards accumulation cutoff time, and the cooldown time is the amount of time one has to wait before being able to make another withdrawal, in this case 4 hours. And finally, it is important to bear in mind these projects usually work very well when the community follows, as it is mentioned here, the strategy of 6 to 1. This means that you rehire, that is you compound your earnings of 6 days, and in harvest, that is you withdraw your earnings of 1 day. But remember that there is a 5% 5% developer, as you can see here, developer and marketing fees taken upon all deposit and withdrawals. So take it into account when following your strategy. And that's all with these both projects, one in the Avalanche network, this one, and the other one in the Binance Smart Chain. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment this video, and see you in the next one.